Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on machine safeguards. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Machines enable us to do amazing things each day. However, machines can also cause disfiguring injuries and death, especially during operation, examination, lubrication, adjustment, and maintenance of the machine. Therefore, it is important that safeguards are in place to protect workers from possible injury and death. This lesson will focus on minimum general requirements, the different types of safeguards, and why lockout-tagout is important. There is a remarkable difference between having a properly installed safeguard and no safeguard at all. In order to ensure the guards are doing what they are designed to do, here are the minimum general requirements. The guard must prevent contact. The safeguard must prevent any part of the worker's body from coming into contact with moving parts. Be secure. The worker should not be able to easily remove the safeguard. Protect the employee from objects falling off the machine. Create no new hazard. The guard should not have sharp edges or other dangers. Create no interference. A safeguard must not impede the job the machine is meant to do. Allow for safe, simple maintenance. If possible, safeguards must allow for simple maintenance, such as lubrication. When you go about your daily work, be observant of where the safeguards are and what type is being employed on that specific machine. There are 5 different types of safeguards to protect you against machine injuries, which include location. If a machine's pinch point, crushing areas, or heat sources are in a place where employees do not have access to them, it does not need to have a physical guard. For example, a fan mounted 15 feet high and out of reach of employees. Guards. Physical guards can be fixed, interlocked, adjustable, or self-adjusting. An example may include screens over belt drives. Devices. Devices prevent access to the moving parts. There are many.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.